So you've heard several times that ulcer doesn't have a cure, that it can only be managed by using those drugs that you use to maintain yourself whenever the pain comes up. You remember those periods when you eat certain food and the pain wants to kill you. You rush to a pharmacy, you buy Gestid, omeprazole or the rest of them. And when you take them, after a while the pain comes down and you can go on with your life. And some people even use Hollandia yogurt to help themselves. Well, the good news is that ulcer actually has a permanent cure, and that is what you're staring at right now. Why do I say it has a permanent cure? Because we have used it several times to cure ulcer. So if you look at the screen now, you have 3 medications that you're staring at. Number 1 is primarily this is a medication for curing any kind of malaria, including drug-resistant malaria. But if you know Chinha very well, you will know that malaria is not the only thing it does. Okay, it also purifies the liver, it also detoxifies the stomach, and it helps to enhance healing of ulcer. And then the second one we have here is Gastrifort. Gastrifort is a medication specifically made for any disease of the stomach. As the name implies, Gastrifort, it fortifies your stomach, and that includes healing of ulcer wounds. It also includes eliminating of excessive stomach gas, because the truth is that when you feel those ulcer pain, it is the stomach gas in your stomach that is triggering that pain. Apart from when you eat peppery food and other things that triggers the pain, stomach gas also helps to trigger those pain. That's why sometimes when you start feeling the pain, it appears that the pain is all over your body, including your chest, your back, your waist, and everywhere. That is because your ulcer is being triggered by excessive stomach gas. Gastrifort will help to eliminate that stomach gas so that you can stop feeling that ulcer pain that you're feeling, and it also heals the ulcer wounds. Okay, that wounds that causes those pain. This is the only medication you can find that will completely heal those wounds. And then finally, we have what we call Reishi. In KEDI Healthcare, Reishi is our most potent herbal medicine for curing of anything infection, whether it is bacterial infection, fungal infection, and including viral infection. And you know that for ulcer patients, we have a bacteria that triggers their ulcer, which is called Helicobacter pylori, or you can call it H. pylori. This bacteria is responsible for 90% of ulcer that people are suffering from. And no matter the medication you take, if that bacteria is still in your stomach, there is no cure for that ulcer. But when you're taking this Reishi, it is the only medication that I know that we have trusted to completely eliminate that bacteria from your stomach. So a combination of these 3 traditional Chinese herbal medicines. Yes, they are traditional Chinese herbal medicines because that is what KEDI Healthcare is into. There is no trace of chemical in these medications. Okay, they are 100% natural. So the combination of these 3 is your permanent cure to ulcer. Try it, use it for at least 30-60 days, depending on how long you've had your ulcer or how terrible it has been. If you take it steady for 30 days or 60 days, you will experience a total cure from ulcer. So try it. Dial the number on your screen to get yours right now, and I will give you the directives on how to use it. Okay, because it is not anyhow medication. You don't take it like you take normal medication. There are procedures for treating ulcers using these medications. So I'll give you the specification, the procedure for taking them the moment you place your order. So dial the number on your screen to place your order right now and say goodbye to all.